Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to program your Toyota RAV4 garage door opener. First, make sure your garage door opener remote has working batteries. Next, park your RAV4 directly in front of your garage door, ensuring it's close enough for the signal to reach. Finally, identify the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your overhead console or rearview mirror. This preparation ensures a smooth programming process. To begin, clear any previous programming by pressing and holding the 2 outer home link buttons until the indicator light flashes rapidly. Then release. Now, hold your garage door remote about 1 to 3 inches from the home link button you wish to program. Press and hold both the remote's button and the chosen home link button at the same time. The home link indicator light will flash slowly, then rapidly when successful. If your garage door opener has a rolling code system, there's one more step. Go to your garage door opener motor unit and locate the Learn or Smart button. Press this button firmly and release it. You'll typically have about 30 seconds to return to your RAV4. Once back in your vehicle, press the home link button you just programmed 3 times, holding it for 2 seconds each time. Your garage door should now operate. Now, test your newly programmed home link button by pressing it once. Your garage door should open or close. If it doesn't work, simply repeat the entire process from the beginning, ensuring you follow each step carefully. Sometimes, the timing or distance can be tricky. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy the convenience of your integrated garage door opener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.